Well, thank you very much. I'm very much impressed with what went on the ground. We went to the Corporate Division, the Abuja Division. They saw the level of work and the contractors, by the grace of God, be handing over in May. From there we went to the judges' quarters. We expected primarily the further High Court section, which has been furnished. Remember that the High Court has 10 duplexes, the FCT High Court has 50 duplexes, and the Prof.Mgbeke also have 10 duplexes. All these projects will be inaugurated during Mr. President's third year anniversary. We also went to the road and canopy. I like ring group. Very impressed with the contractor of the CDC. So now again we're in Sussex. It's the road section of the Sussex. And the contractor also promised that unfortunately they have started the remaining they were in the course. And by the time they launched this bridge, they believe obviously that this is part of the project. Mr. President Prof.Mgbeke said that I'm very much impressed with what CGC is doing. A lot of those companies, when they do their work, they go to the back with it. I'm so impressed. I'm impressed with the FCD, the way they have supervised the job to this level. Very impressed. I'm very, very happy. Very, very happy.
Okay, AIT, let's also have for you.
Okay. Go first. Your Excellency, sir, yesterday you just completed the thank you call to the Air Council. And today you did not rest. You want to inspect 4 more projects. We'd like to know what gives you the motivation to sacrifice yourself this much. And Your Excellency, we also want to know when you are moving into Waru. Open up that place and Waru, Ozama. Your own district. Open it up.
Waru.
Yes, sir. It's a new district you have just said.
That's just where I mean, you have a land there. When you say what motivates us is service. For the president to have confidence in you, to give an assignment that is better, not to be committed to the job. I mean, you can see why it's difficult. Very well to meet Mr. President in FCT. It's very, very difficult. You can see with your eyes. So I'm very happy. The motivation is because Mr. President has given us a lot of support. And with that, why we not be motivated when the appointment is giving all the necessary support. So, and then about the new district, we're not to find out from the FCDA or the estimate coordinator or what they have in mind, whether it's in the 2026 budget. Don't worry. I know you have planned everything we can to open up the district so that people can also move in there.
Thank you, guys.
All right, last one.
Your Excellency, I really wanted to ask yesterday, but you didn't have the opportunity. I was actually looking at the PDP and the chances of reconciliation ahead of the 2027 election. I mean, given that it's the main opposition party, and you have said yesterday that you are open to sincere reconciliation only, not those that would, say a different thing at the daytime and then at night they do a different thing. So I'm asking, what is the chances of PDP having a strong opposition and presenting a candidate in the 2027 election?
Well, first thing is to be united and then talk about the next step. Everybody has said reconciliation. If indeed truly we are sincere and reconciled, obviously we have chances. But for me, the first thing now is how to make sure the party is united and to make sure the party gets passed. The vote is not that you must win the election, Look at what happened in the FCT. Nobody gave us the chance. Out of 45 seats, we were able to gather 17. And that more or less one important look at the government and PDP won them. So for me, I believe in sincerity. Of course, we are going through our convention, which is to tonight and 13 of this month. So after the convention, we'll have to talk about the convention with all. Thank you.